Hello students. In this lecture, we will learn to solve linear equations. Linear equations we have already learned solving in basic mathematics with three different techniques. But here, because we are studying matrices, so we will learn the solution of linear equations with the help of matrices. Clear? So the question comes, how to write a linear set of linear equations into matrix form. So let a1x plus b1y equals to c1, a2x plus b2y equals to c2. This is the set of equation. Then how to write? Then write it as a 2 by 2 matrix, because two equations are there, so it will be a 2 by 2 matrices. Two equation, two unknown. Okay. Collect the coefficient of x. Coefficient means a number multiplied to the variable x. It is a1 with sign plus or minus b1, a2 and b2. These are the coefficients. These four coefficients. Then write x, y and equal to c1 and c2. If you will move back, you will get same equations, because a1x plus b1y, if you multiply these two matrices, you will get same. And this is denoted by ax is equal to b. Clear? So this is the standard form of linear equations in matrix form. Ax is equal to b. Standard form of equations in matrix form. This is okay. So ax is equal to b. This is the set of linear equations in matrix form. Okay. So what is a here? Where a equals to a1, b1, a2, b2, x equals to xy, and b equals to, it is c1, c2. This is how to write the linear equations into matrix form. And my dear friends, because a1, b1, a2, b2 are the coefficients of x and y in these equations, so this matrix A is called coefficient matrix. Please remember, this is called coefficient matrix. Because x and y are unknown, so you generally we call it question matrix. And this is C1 and C2 are the answers to these equations, so this is called answer matrix. These are the names of these three matrices. Okay, so now we'll move to the method. Method is inverse matrix method. What is inverse matrix method? So if we have the same equations like we have in the previous paper, C2, write them into matrix form. So A1, B1, A2, B2, this is XY, and this is C1, C2. Clear? Then this is AX is equal to B. Clear? Now here you need to find determinant of A. Find determinant of A. Clear? Determinant of A you need to find. If determinant of A, two cases here, determinant of A is equal to 0, then no value for x and y. Clear? Number 2, if determinant of A not equal to 0, then A unique solution is possible. Then a unique solution is possible. And how to find it? It is Ax equals to B. We multiply both sides by A inverse because determinant is not equal to 0. That means A inverse is possible. A into X is equal to A inverse B. And this A into A inverse will be identity, so there is no impact. So it will be X is equal to A inverse B. So Ax is equal to B. By pre-multiplying by A inverse, we can change into X is equal to A inverse B. Now put the value of A inverse here, put the value of B here, multiply them, you will get a 2 by 1 matrix. If X, Y here, so you will get two values here. Clear? First X value is this one, second value X is this one. That's all. This is the inverse matrix method. Okay, so let us solve two questions. We'll solve two questions with this in this video. This is example number 1. It is 2x plus 3y equals to 5. And let us take minus x plus y equals to 0. These are the two equations. Then what is the value of x and y? This is the method. This is the question. So we will divide this question into three parts. The part number 1, part number 2, and part number 3. In part 1, write in matrix form. Okay, so let us write 2, 3. Here is minus 1 and here is 1. No number is there means into 1. X, Y equals 5, 0. This is A, this is X, this is equal to B. This is the standard matrix form. Okay, where A equals to 2, 3, minus 1, 1. B equals to 5, 0. And X equals to X, Y. This is the complete matrix form of the given set of linear equations. In step 2, find A inverse. So for A inverse, what we need to do? Find determinant of A. Determinant of A means 2, 3, minus 1, 1. It is 2 into 1, 2, minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So the value is 5. So it is not equal to 0. Therefore, definitely value of X and Y possible. Now find the value of A inverse. It is 1 upon determinant of A. How to find A inverse? Interchange these two values. 2, 1, it will be 1, 2. Multiply by minus. Minus 3, minus, minus, plus. This is. Now, write the value of determinant. 1 upon 5. 1 minus 3, 1, 2. Clear? And remember one more thing. Do not multiply 1 upon 5 inside here while you are evaluating value of X and Y, because it will be easy if we will not multiply. And step 3 is X equals to A inverse B. For the value of A inverse, it is 1 upon 5, 1 minus 3, 1, 2, and 5, 0. So 1 by 5, 5 into 1, 5, plus minus 3 into 0, 0. 5 into 1, 5, 2 into 0 is 0. Divide, now you take it inside after adding them. 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 divide 5. 5 plus 0, 5 divide 5. So you are getting 5 divided 5 is 1, 1. Therefore, what is the value of X? The value of X is x, y, 1, 1. Now you can compare x equals to 1, y equals to 1. This is how you proceed to get the value of x and y using inverse matrix method. We call this method as an inverse matrix method because we are evaluating inverse in this. That's why this is inverse matrix method. One more question we will solve. One example 2. It is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, and it is x minus 2y, not x minus 2y. Let us take x plus y equals to 3. This is these are the set of equations. Again the same, we will divide the question into 3 sections. Okay, now section 1, write in matrix form. Okay, so write minus 2, 3, 1, 1 and minus 2, 3, 1, 1. It is x, y and it is 1, 3. Oh, there is nothing, this 3, 1, 3. This is A, this is X, this is B. Clear? So, where? Write what is A, what is B, what is X. Always try to write it. It gives a positive impression to the teacher that you know everything about the matrix form 1, 3. Now step number 2, find A inverse. So for A inverse, what we need to do? Find determinant of A. Minus 2, 3, 1, 1. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 3 into 1 is 3. So it is minus 5 and it is not 0. Therefore, because it is not 0, we can find the value of A inverse. And what it is? Interchange these two numbers. 1 minus 2. Negative multiply by minus 3 minus 1. This is. Now put the value of determinant of A. 1 upon negative 5. 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2. This is. Now the last step. X equals to A inverse B. It is minus 1 upon 5. 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2. Multiply by B. B is what? 1 and 3. Now multiply these two matrices. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Minus 9. Clear? Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. And 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Okay. So minus 1 upon 5, it is minus 8 and it is minus 7. If you will multiply it, what you are getting? It is minus 8 upon minus 5 minus 7 upon minus 5. So the negative negative cancelled, 8 upon 5 and 7 upon 5. So what are the answers? Answers. So x equals to xy equals to 8 divide 5, 7 divide 5. Now this is x, this is y. So x equals to 8 divide 5 and y equals to 7 divide 5. These are the values of x and y. So thank you dear students. In this video we learn how to solve linear equations with the help of inverse matrix method. Thank you.